What's up guys, this is Medhaavvi and in this video I'm going to create the viral blush challenge look. In this video I'm gonna be using two shades of red, a lighter and a darker one. You can also use one shade of red, and if you want to know more about what shades I have used then check my description. After applying a moisturizer and or a primer on your face, apply the lighter shade of red on your cheeks and also on your nose. Make sure you are applying good amount of lipstick on your nose and your cheeks because you are going to blend it later with a foundation. Now I'm using the darker shade of lipstick and making a 3 on both sides of my face. Now we will be spreading the lipstick on the face using a blender. Now on to the second step where we'll use a foundation to cover up the lipstick on our face. You can use any type or brand's foundation. The one which I have used I'll be linking in my description, so make sure to check that out. Now I'm using a concealer to conceal my dark circles and dark spots on my face to make the base look better. You can also use the concealer on your acne or your acne spots to make the base look even better, but just make sure to blend it in properly. This is how I did my base makeup, and here in this next step I did my eyebrows, eyeshadows and lipstick. And here my look is ready. You can also use a highlighter to finish up the look. You do not need any kind of blush as you already created a natural blushy look. That was about the video. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time.